Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to group text boxes in Canva so we can move and edit multiple text elements together with ease. This helps keep the layout organized and consistent. For example, here is a project in Canva. Now we will insert more text. Let's add some text here and label it as Text 1. We will add another text and label it as Text 2. As we can see, we already have 3 text boxes in our Canva project. If we want to group these texts, all we have to do is highlight them all, or just 2 of them, depending on our preference. Now let's highlight all the texts and we will see the group option appear. Once we see group, we just need to click the group button. Now we can see they are grouped as one. The texts are now grouped together. That's how we can group text boxes in Canva in just a few simple steps. Now we can manage our text more easily and keep our design nicely aligned.